Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today we are going to continue our 3-part series on shawarma. Part 1 was the video on how to make kuboos or pita bread. If you haven't seen that video, just click the I button on the screen or the link in the description box below. Today we are going to make Thoum, or the garlic sauce that goes with the shawarma. So let's get started. So this garlic mayo that they use in shawarma is called Thoum. Since our recipe does not have any eggs, we will be using a process called emulsification to make this. So we will be using a mixie jar or a blender jar to make the Thoum. A food processor here will not work. First, in a mixie jar, add a few cubes of ice. This is to keep the blades of the jar nice and cool. Now add 15 roughly chopped cloves of garlic into the jar. Next, a pinch of sugar. Then I have added 1/3 teaspoon salt, but you can adjust the salt to your taste. Add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now grind it till the garlic becomes a really smooth paste. It's important that you blend it on high speed so that the process of emulsification can happen. Now we will add 3/4 cup of oil in 3 batches. Add the first 1/4 cup of oil and blend for 20 seconds. Make sure that the oil that you use is a neutral oil like vegetable oil or canola oil and not something flavorful like coconut oil or olive oil. You can see that the Thoum is now the consistency of thick and frothy heavy cream. Add the next 1/4 cup of oil and blend again for about 1 minute. Now the Thoum will be the consistency of heavy cream whipped to soft peaks. At this point, add the final 1/4 cup of oil and blend for another 20 to 30 seconds or until it comes to the consistency of heavy cream whipped to stiff peaks. It is thick and you can see that it doesn't easily drop off the spoon. Your Thoum is ready now. If you want, you can mix it with mayo or use it as is in your shawarma, tacos or even as a sandwich spread. This is a very versatile sauce which will be a permanent condiment in your household. You can store this in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. Hope you like this recipe. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Lots of prayers and love from my family to yours. Until next time, happy cooking. Like, share and subscribe for more recipes from us.